To begin, place your pattern on a single layer of cotton fabric. Place your pins parallel to the edge. Cut out your fabric square along the pattern edge using long, smooth cuts. Remove the pins from the pattern and the fabric. If you are using a second piece of coordinating fabric, place the pattern once again, pinning, placing pins parallel to the edge of the pattern. Cut the second piece of fabric around the pattern as you did with the first. Remove the pattern from the second piece of fabric. If you have not yet cut out your batting, do so now. Place the pattern on top of the 12 by 12 inch square of batting. Use the pin technique to transfer the dots to the batting. Once you're finished marking, remove all of the pins and then repeat the same technique on the second piece of cotton batting. After pinning, mark the second piece of batting as you did for the first. Remove the pins. You are now finished cutting and marking all of the pieces needed for the bowl cozy.